In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize keyboard shortcuts in Figma. Let's start with the most important point. Figma doesn't currently let you reassign shortcuts the way some other apps do. There isn't a built-in hotkey editor where you click a command, press a new key combo, and save it. Many people have asked for this over the years, but as of the latest updates, true shortcut remapping isn't supported. So if you're looking to change which keys trigger a command inside Figma itself, that option isn't available right now. What you can customize, however, is the keyboard layout Figma uses to interpret its existing shortcuts. This is especially helpful if you're on a non-US keyboard, or you switch between layouts like French, German, Spanish, or UK. By choosing the layout that matches your physical keyboard, you make sure Figma understands where your keys are and maps its shortcuts correctly, without changing which functions have shortcuts. Here's how to adjust that setting. Open any Figma file so you're inside the editor. Then open the Keyboard Shortcuts panel. The quickest way is with Control or Command plus Shift plus the question mark key. If you prefer to click, look for the question mark icon in the bottom right corner of the editor and choose Keyboard Shortcuts. Once the panel is open, switch to the Layout tab. From there, pick the keyboard layout that matches your hardware, like French AZERTY, German Quartz, or whichever you use. As soon as you select it, Figma will align its shortcut interpretation to that layout. A key reminder here: changing the layout doesn't create new shortcuts or let you reassign commands. It simply helps Figma recognize the physical positions and symbols on your keyboard, so shortcuts that involve bracket keys, punctuation, or symbols behave as expected on your specific layout. For example, if certain symbols live in different places on your keyboard, the layout setting ensures Figma looks for them in the right spot. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Keep the Keyboard Shortcuts panel open while you work as a handy reference. It's a great way to reinforce muscle memory. After switching your layout, try a few of your most used shortcuts to confirm everything feels natural. And remember, you can come back to this panel anytime to change the layout if you switch keyboards or move between machines. That's it. While you can't remap commands inside Figma today, setting the correct keyboard layout ensures the shortcuts you rely on behave consistently with your hardware.